Children, I hope you have listened my last video which I have sent you of new words and their meaning. So now we will be starting with the explanation of this lesson. So let's start. Once upon a time there lived a poor woman who had a son named Jack. So students, once upon a time there lived a very poor woman. You can see that woman in this picture also. Okay, so who had a son named Jack. He is Jack. This boy is Jack. Okay, so I will tell you, this boy is Jack. Okay, so they were very poor, means they do not have money to eat, to wear new clothes. We can say they were very poor. They don't have money, they cannot live their life happily. They were not rich. Okay, so that poor woman had a son named Jack. Okay, so both of them, they lived together. She was ill and Jack was too young to work. So Jack's mother, that lady, this lady, she was not well. She was ill, and Jack was also too young to work. So Jack was not also enough mature to go out and earn some money. So that is why, this is the reason they were very poor, because nobody can go out to earn money. Almost all their belongings had been sold to buy food. So they have no money and there was no one in their family to earn. So that is why they started selling their things, whatever belongings they have in their home, maybe some furniture or whatever they have, they start selling them one by one. Okay. So almost all their belongings had been sold to buy food. So slowly what happened? They have sold all their belongings to buy food, because you all know that we need money to buy food from the market. We all need money now, and from where that money comes, like you have seen that your parents also, your father must be earning and he must be working very hard to earn money. So but in this case, in this story, nobody is going out to earn money, and that is the reason they have started selling their things, whatever belongings they have, they had sold those things to buy some food. There was nothing left worth selling, and one day came that they had nothing in their home to sell in the market or wherever they go. They have nothing left worth selling. Okay, now what is left with them? They had an old cow named Daisy whom they were very fond of. Okay, only that cow was left whose name was Daisy, and they loved that cow very much. Okay, they both loved that cow very much. One day Jack's mother said, Jack, go to the market and sell our cow. So one day what happened, when they have nothing left to sell, so Jack's mother thought that what to do now? We don't have anything to eat. We don't have money to buy some food. Now only this cow is left. So she said to the Jack that please go to the market and sell our cow, or we shall have nothing to eat. Okay. So she tell the Jack to sold that cow in the market so that he can get some money, and with that money they will have some food to eat. Otherwise they will be hungry that day. Thus the next day, with a heavy heart. With a heavy heart is a phrase that means unhappily, very sadly. So the next day what happened? Jack left for the market to sell their beloved Daisy. So the next day, with a very heavy heart, unhappily, Jack left for the market. Jack went to the market to sell their beloved. What do you mean by beloved? Beloved means very dear, dearly loved. If something is very close to you, right? Whether it is a thing, whether it is a member of the family, anything. So if something is very dear to you, very close to you, you can say that it is your beloved, right? So Daisy was very much dearly loved by both of them, but what they can do, they don't have any option, right? They want to buy some food that day. They were hungry. That is why they decided to sell that cow. Instead of that, they were very They love that cow very much. It is like a member of their family, but then also they don't have any option. So they decided to sell that cow. So with a heavy heart, Jack left the market to sell their beloved cow, Daisy. For some time he went along very sadly, but on seeing the hustle bustle at the market, he soon recovered his spirits. But for some time he was very sad. Who was very sad? Jack was very sad, but when he saw the hustle bustle means a large amount of noise, right? But when he saw the scene of the market, the very noisy place, and the activity going around there, he started feeling happy. Then he recovered his spirits, means he started become he was happy again. You can say that he was not sad that time when he saw the scene of the market, when he saw the large amount of noise or the activity. So he engrossed in the activity of the market. Okay.